Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to wrap some Christmas gifts. Start with the wrapping paper right here. The first thing that you do is roll it out. Then you always want to flip it over, because then, see, it rolls up on you. This is how you know how much paper you need. So you put it right here, and you roll, and you roll. Don't go the other way.
So where are you going to cut?
Right about there. Okay guys, this is how you use the scissors. Make sure to not cut the carpet.
Have you done this before?
Yeah.
Oh, looks like you know what you're doing. What's the trick to doing this?
Basically, when you cut a line, you basically got to stay on that road.
Okay.
You don't need to measure it.
Okay.
So I'm flipping the paper around so it doesn't roll up on me. Just like that.
All right. Now what?
I gotta take a break. It's important to be refreshed.
Those are some sweet shoes you got.
Aren't they nice? If you really want to wrap a gift, this is how you do it. So if you're new, then basically wrap it, then you just cloud tape on it. It doesn't really matter where you put it. That's a big piece, but it's okay. I'll tape this to there. Well, that's a big piece.
Good. So what's the actual key, like the secret to doing this?
Basically, all of it is Skittle.
It's Skittle? What is that? You mean skill? And you have Skittle?
I have Skittle. I Skittle like the Skittle like you eat. I say it like that, but I actually mean Skittle. Skittle. I'm gonna write my brother's name on here so he knows it's his. My brother's name is Kane.
K-A-N-E.
Then you gotta write who it's from. So F R O M
N-A-S-H.
And there you go. This is how you wrap Christmas gifts for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody!